Welcome back, you guys. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve weekend, New Year's Day. Hope it was safe and fun, or if you just stayed home like we did. We did spend some time with some friends on New Year's Day and did a bunch of stuff. This week's video is gonna be a little bit different. This is the lost footage episode from our Utah day when we left Medicine Bow in Wyoming and traveled through Utah. We stopped in the national forest out there. I can't think of the name of it offhand, but I'll put it in the description. We didn't quite make it to the campground, as you'll see, but it's an incomplete episode. We filmed a little bit, but not too much more, as we were just trying to get back on the road. We had a long day after this getting to Shirk Ranch, and that was one of our favorite episodes and stop. Hope you enjoy this one. It's just some footage. We left that morning, the National Forest camp, and went and did the salt flats because we were right there, so why not? And that was pretty fun. You'll see in the footage. It was a little slushy mushy, and surprisingly it was a lot harder to get off than I thought it would be. We went straight to a car wash with a high powered nozzle, and it still was like really caked on thick. I recommend if you ever do it, go on a dry day. Definitely was worth doing and fun. So it's just a short little episode. Hope you guys enjoy it. We are getting back in the swing of things after the holiday. Back to our regular camping videos soon. We also have a little special video to show you what we did on New Year's Day. Look for it either on Sunday or Tuesday. Just a short little fun way to start the New Year's. Morning, guys. It's
the same clothes. This is not a good
no, I've
morning.
changed. That's your fault.
Okay.
There's
Listen,
the peanut gallery.
Let's
So
go
we're-
through and talk about. So I've come to the conclusion that Big Daddy is no longer picking any of the campgrounds.
She doesn't
Absolutely
approve
none.
of these off-road boondocking,
So
overlanding.
let's tell you about the one from last night. Let's not even let Daddy tell you, because first it's in the middle of
A national forest.
whatever you want to call it. The road to get down here was atrocious. You felt like you were constantly just for like 15 minutes.
Get to the point.
And then you get down there, it says loose range. So there's animals just roaming around
There's
everywhere.
actually wandering cattle.
So then you have this little weird path to get up, and then I'm telling you, have you ever seen any of those weird, crazy movies? That's what I felt like. We stopped.
In other words, she hears banjos playing. It's just people out here camping in the national forest.
It's a little odd, people. I think.
Don't be judgmental.
I'm not trying to judge. It just, when somebody's standing outside their campfire, basically butt naked with just a shirt tie on.
No, the dude had overalls on.
It was a little odd.
Jack said he had overalls on. They're staring at this guy and they think he's a creeper and you want to get hacked.
It was a little creepy, and Jack and I slept with one eye open, and I'm really tired. No makeup on. The hair's flying everywhere. I still got the same clothes
Anyways,
on.
before I was interrupted by the peanut gallery, We're just southwest of Salt Lake City. North Willow or Willow Lake Campground. It's a National Forest campground, so it's a dispersed primitive. Okay. But we didn't actually make it to the campground because she started freaking out. We're like a mile away from the actual campground. It's not much different than this. Can I talk?
It's covered in cattle.
Yes. So actually, there's wandering cattle. We just haven't seen any yet, but we've heard them because
mooing all night.
There's cow dung everywhere.
Literally.
Everywhere in the. It's a primitive dispersed. There's a nice stream you can hear nearby.
I'm gonna give this a 4.
It's a good boondocking spot.
It's I guess if you want to call it.
Got it. This one already has a setup fire pit. We didn't use it. This is just a turn and burn sleep night. We're trying to get to our next destination by tonight, which is gonna be a good spot. We're not talking about it because it's a surprise, so be quiet. You keep trying to spoil my surprises.
It's another one of Jason picks.
Oh, tonight's is going to be a good one. But anyway, here's the cow dung everywhere. I know you want to see it.
Let me try to get out of my camper without stepping in cow dung.
Jack was hoping to wake up and have cows here in camp, but I don't see him. We did hear him in the middle of the night mooing. But today...
She said, for you, Mr. Jason... In lieu of the cows, eat more chicken.
Yes, eat more chicken. Fire boss, did you get that? Anyway, so we're not doing a full video here, just a little check-in. So let you know what's going on. We're on day 4 of our long trip. Today's gonna be another long one. We gotta hit 500 miles today. It's tough to film and drive 500 miles, but we're getting some content in, and we got some good stuff. This one I didn't think was gonna be that great. We're hitting coffee, and then we're hooking up and getting out of here because we got to get moving. But see you soon. We will see you guys next week, and thank you for all the support. As you can see, I've got a new hat on. It's got the embroidery. There's sweatshirts. We found a new website to use for merchandise for the clothing, and you saw the cups she had, regular camping coffee cups. But I'll give you more information about that probably next week. Just wanted to show you the first look at it. Samples look good. We did have to modify the logo a little bit because they only allow up to 6 colors, but I still think it turned out pretty good. As you'll see, I'll get some better close-up shots. See you soon.